Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the essentials so you can act immediately. Create a GitHub account and enable two-factor authentication. This protects your work. Install Git on your computer, then set your name and email with Git config global so commits are attributed correctly. Once done, open a project folder, run Git init to initialize a repository, add files with git add, and make the first commit using git commit m init to record that snapshot. Next, connect your local repo to GitHub by adding the remote origin and pushing your initial branch so the cloud has a copy. You will use branches for focused work. Create a branch with git checkout bfeature/name, make iterative commits, and test locally to keep changes safe. Before you push, always pull remote changes using git pull rebase origin main to integrate others' updates smoothly. Make sure to push your branch and open a pull request on GitHub. Finish by creating a clear pull request. Describe what changed, request reviewers, and address comments so the team accepts your work. Once approved, merge using the strategy your project prefers, merge commit or squash, and delete the branch to keep the repo tidy. If something goes wrong, recover quickly. Use git reflog to find lost commits, or git reset hard to revert to a known good state, but be careful with destructive commands. If conflicts happen, resolve locally, test, and push again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.